Hi friends and fellow Disney fans, my name's Jamie.
And I'm Brad.
And I am a travel agent specializing in Disney vacations. We are here to help you get the most out of your next Disney vacation. So today we are talking about Little Mermaid Rooms at Art of Animation. They have been totally updated. Well, most of them, some of them have been updated. We're going to talk all about that construction schedule and give you a sneak peek view of what they look like. Today we are talking about Art of Animation, Little Mermaid Rooms.
Yes, and we love Art of Animation. We stayed there right after it first opened, and it was easy to look around the old Little Mermaid Rooms and say, well, look at this stuff. Isn't it neat? Wouldn't you think it's totally complete? But no, they wanted more. Jamie, they wanted more, and the rooms are better.
And they answered with the Skyliner. Woo! And the refurbished rooms.
Yes.
And yeah, they are stepping up their game at Art of Animation.
All around the resort.
All around the resort. So Art of Animation, by far, were probably, they were really cool theming because it was Little Mermaid theme, right? So they would be popular.
And the whole resort is like the Disneyest of Disney.
Yes, but the biggest thing about it was the double beds.
Yeah.
No one likes double beds.
No one.
Everyone hates them. And Disney kind of picked up on that, and they decided to answer with not only just refurbishing, the shower curtain and the floors and stuff. They decided to put in the queen beds.
Yeah.
Finally. Thank you. So now that went from a negative to me, and it's probably one of my favorite standard value rooms on property.
Absolutely.
Would you agree?
They're beautiful now.
So let's talk about what has been refurbished with the rooms. So like I said before, queen beds.
Queen beds.
Queen beds. And not only with the queen beds, they took out the box spring. It was kind of getting a little dirty and gross. Mm-hmm. They took out that box spring, and they have put those kind of bed frames that allow you to put your luggage underneath.
Again, maximizing that space. Disney's gotten so good about this. The rooms are so efficient. I love it. And
you're going to want that because with the queen beds in that tiny room, it is a tinier room.
Yeah.
But you put your luggage down there and then you have a little bit of walking space.
Yeah.
So it is great. The other thing that they refurbished with it was taking out the carpets.
Yes.
Huge.
They went with kind of that laminate look, and it's awesome.
Yeah, it's a huge addition.
It feels way more sleek and modern. I love it.
Additionally, they have changed out the TV, which you always appreciate because you're watching so much TV.
Yeah, because I need an 80-inch TV that I don't watch. I just need it.
But they did put in a new TV, and then they updated, the shower curtain stuff. So everything just feels a little bit more fresh and clean.
Yeah. Huh? What's this?
What?
It's a phone. It would be great, but it's dead.
Oh, why?
Because I didn't have any USBs to plug it into, Jamie.
Well, guess what, Brad?
What?
You have them now.
What?
They did it. They put in USBs at Little Mermaid Room. So those will last for a while until USBs are obsolete again.
That's right. That's right. It'll be good for 3 years until Apple goes to something totally new and we all just get really angry.
And they also updated the countertops in the bathrooms.
Yeah.
And they also painted and put in fresh new accent walls. So it just all looks very nice and clean. Now let's talk about the biggest complaint with Little Mermaid Rooms.
Okay.
Walking distance.
Walking distance.
I know I hate using my legs, but...
Like a sucker.
But you know what? Honestly, I remember when people would complain about it, and I get it. If you have mobility issues or little kids, it can be a little bit of a walk. But I have walked it several times. Maybe I'm just a brisk walker, but I found the walk from the lobby area to the Little Mermaid Rooms 5 to 7 minutes tops.
Yeah.
I've timed it several times. I'm going to show you the video. You go right by the Lion King rooms, an area there. And so you're seeing, I don't know, maybe it's a fun walk. So I'm like, da-la-dee-da, I like it.
It's not that long of a walk, and she's not that brisk of a walker. And so she can do it in 5 minutes.
I have short little legs.
Yeah, if she can do it in 5 minutes, you're fine.
But I've heard people say that it's 10 to 15, and it is not. I've walked that several times and it was never. I do understand that if you have your resort refillable mug, it is kind of a pain because you do have to walk from your rooms to the lobby, to the resort, you know, to the cafeteria area to get the landscapes of flavors. Sorry, not cafeteria, I shouldn't say, but to get your refill.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
So that is kind of a pain if you're having to go back and forth. You know?
mean, kind of, but let's imagine. Put yourself in the situation. You've been at Disney World. You went to Magic Kingdom. You were there. You had your extra magic hour. You went early. You stayed till the fireworks. You're home. You're exhausted. Kids are fighting. It's just, you know what? I need a moment alone. I'm going to get pop for everyone.
That's what you do.
No.
That's what I just figured out. That's what you do. When you are serving our family by going to get a pop, it's actually you're just escaping. But you know what, though? If you do have mobility issues or, you know, that is an issue at all, you are not going to want to stay over in those rooms because they are kind of far removed. But I would say it's no worse than a lot of resorts. If you are in a standard room at Pop Century, you could be on the other side and
All-Star, Caribbean Beach, most of the places could be like this.
Yeah. The one thing that I do wish Disney would do to answer the problem of the refillable pops is like they have at Caribbean, like they have those freestyle drink refillable stations throughout different buildings. I really wish that Disney would do that in the future. Put like, you know, a freestyle pop machine right out by the pool there, the Little Mermaid pool, right out by the Cars pool.
Feels like it shouldn't be that difficult to do.
No, I really hope they move to that in the future with all the resorts because even like, you know, you think about Animal Kingdom, you have to walk all the way down to the quick service from your room to get a
the Animal Kingdom Lodge.
They need to have a pop station at the one end.
It's an issue even at when we stayed at the Polynesian, the room we were in, which was a nice room right by the pool. It was still a good long jaunt before you could get into your pop. So
yeah, so Disney, listen to us.
Yeah, we know what we're talking about.
We do. So construction schedule wise, I've actually had a lot of clients who have booked Little Mermaid rooms like these couple weeks, and they've all been upgraded to family suites, which
that's a big
is a huge
family
value.
Suites at AOA are the same price as most deluxe resorts.
I had one family there for 2 weeks, and they got upgraded to Nemo rooms.
Were they pretty excited?
Yeah, I was excited for them. I was partying. If you get an upgrade this week, that could be why, because they are working currently on building 7 in the Little Mermaid rooms. Once that is complete, they'll move on to the next building. So I would say right now with construction schedule rise, predicted maybe summer it would be done, but don't hold me to that. Disney does not have a construction schedule.
No, that would make sense, though, as they're trying to get ready for the 50th. It would make sense for them trying to get that done.
Yeah. One other thing to note with the Art of Animation is the pool, the big blue pool, will be under construction from mid-September to mid-December. So if you are planning on staying there, that is kind of like a big deal.
It is. It's kind of the pool everyone knows as the one where there's music playing underwater, and so it is something people look forward to, and it is a little bit of a bummer.
Like there's still the Cars pool, which I actually love. There's still the
I like
Mermaid
the car,
pool.
but the main reason I like the Cars pool, well, the theming's awesome.
Yeah.
But on top of it, it's kind of hidden and secluded, and so there's only ever like 3 people in it, whereas the other pool's like just.
Well, and it has the cones that you can lay in. It's
cones.
like cabanas. Like
right.
I love you get your own private cone cabana. Like hello.
Yeah. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. We hope this update helps you get excited about your next Disney vacation. And if you need help booking your next Disney vacation, you want to stay at Art of Animation, why not contact this girl? She is a travel agent that specializes in Disney vacations. She helps you with all sorts of stuff. She is like a concierge service. Best of all, her services are completely free when you book through her.
That's right. So you can contact me via email, jamie@clickthemouse.ca, or via the website, www.clickthemouse.ca/Jamie. So thank you guys for taking the time to watch and enjoy. Let us know what you think about these pictures of the brand new Little Mermaid refurbished rooms.
Yeah.
Like, I'm curious to see what you guys think about them. The queen beds, huge perk. But yeah, like, subscribe, and comment. So we'll see you later.
Bye.
Bye.